And looking forward now, he's got to demonstrate that this is an inclusive, happy moment for all Turks, those who voted for him, as well as those who didn't. I think he's now talking. Let's listen in to what he's saying.
Today, Kısıklı is beautiful. Üsküdar is beautiful. And Istanbul is beautiful. My distinguished and cherished friends, brothers and sisters, I greet all of you with my deepest regards. The second round of the presidential elections have been completed with great participation of our nation. I would like to thank my great nation who has allowed us to enjoy 2 feasts of democracy. I would like to thank every citizen who voted for the future of themselves and their children and who showed their will. Thank you so much.
Teşkilatımızın tüm mensuplarını, kadın ve gençlik kollarımızı.
I would also like to congratulate all the members of the organization of our party who volunteered and participated in the election so that the election can be completed with no irregularities. I would like to congratulate our campaign team as well.
Kadınlarımızı tebrik ediyorum.
I would like to congratulate our women.
Tebrik ediyorum.
I would like to congratulate the youth.
AK Parti davasına gönül veren tüm kardeşlerimi tebrik ediyorum.
And I would also like to congratulate all brothers and sisters who have once again showed their commitment to AK Party.
Özellikle yüksek oy oranlarıyla sandığa koşan
We see that there's been great participation in the second round of the presidential election, both domestically and in the overseas polling stations, and I would like to thank our citizen.
5 yıl boyunca
Our nation
ülkeyi yönetme sorumluluğu
made a choice,
bir kez daha
and the result of this choice means that we have been
her bir ferdine
given the task of leading this country for another 5 years, and I would like to thank you for this decision. God willing,
İnşallah sizlerin güvenine layık
God
olacağız.
willing,
21 yıl layık olduğumuz
I
gibi
will do my best
layık olacağız.
to be just to your trust and confidence, and I will do my best to deserve it. Remember what I said. My commitment is till I die, to the grave.
Öyle mi?
And this love
Şimdi bak,
will never end,
diyorlar.
right? Now you can see people chanting, "Bye bye Kemal."
Biz hep bu kutlu yürüyüş yarım kalmaz demiştik. Biz hep
We have always said that this divine journey will
Biz hep Türkiye
will
bize biz
be
de
completed,
Türkiye'ye
and we
emanet
have always
demiştik.
showed our commitment to this divine journey, and we said that we are committed to our great nation.
İsterseniz buna bir 3. bay bay daha ilave edebiliriz. Bay,
If you will,
Bay Kemal.
we can now say bye bye, Mr. Kemal, once again.
Sizler bu sesimize karşılık verdiniz.
Thank God you have answered to our call. And tonight's election once again proved that the love and the commitment between us has once again been proven. And the will of our nation, the will of our citizen is like made of steel, thanks to this feast of democracy. Now, brothers and sisters, I would like to have a look at the numbers, because, as you know, he is an expert of numbers, as he claims. In 2018, the number of MPs of the CHP was 146, and in 2023, the total number of CHP MPs is now 169. However, as you well know, they have teamed up with certain parties whose total share of votes do not even add up to 1%. And what is the result? Now, their total number of MPs is about 129. As I said, he claims to be an expert of numbers, and it shows. And I guess the main opposition party, CHP, will also be saying bye-bye to Mr. Kemal for this very reason. As I said, 85 million of our citizens have come victorious in the 2 rounds of these elections. However, I would also like to say the following. Please allow me to remind you that I always said that we will have such a victory that there will be no losers in such victory. That is why today the winner is Turkey. We have never compromised on our democracy, development and goals. And it is with these achievements that we are starting the 2nd century of our republic. And we owe this success to young people, elderly, to people who work, to people who are retired. We owe this success and we owe these achievements to the entirety of our nation. We know that we have friends, brothers and sisters who have hopes for this success, and we have always supported their hope. And from now on, we will also continue to do the same thing. Please have a look around. Look at this crowd. Now we are at the square of Kısıklı, and we are writing history.
Bir İstanbullu, bir Üsküdarlı, bir Kısıklılı olarak
A person who lives in Istanbul, as a person who lives in Üsküdar, in Kısıklı, I thank God, because He gave me such friends who accompany me on this journey. I am so lucky, and we are going to congratulate this victory together once again. Now we have 2024 to look forward to, and I think you get the message, right? In 2024, we will take over Üsküdar and Istanbul in local elections. Are you ready for this success? That means we will have to work really hard.
Rakam ne biliyor musunuz?
I asked the officials to know the official number of people who have gathered here, and I think we have around 55,000 people who have gathered here today. 55,000.
Sel gider, kum kalır.
Of course, elections come and go.
Ülkemizin hedeflerinden sapmaması.
What's important is to work towards achieving the goals of our country and to support the unity of our country. And the main message of these elections is exactly that. The results of this election have shown once again that no one can have the courage to change the victories and to change the gains of this country. And a couple of minutes ago, I received a phone call from President Aliyev from Azerbaijan. I also received a phone call from the President of Uzbekistan, the Prime Minister of Libya, and they keep calling me. And what they say is that there is no need to wait. If you want us to come and congratulate you in person, please send us the invitation and we'll be there. So, with this election, we have received the congratulation messages from Qatar, from East, from West. As I said, no one can touch the freedoms and gains that this country has successfully gained in the last couple of years, and no one can have the courage to insult our nation. No one, not a single person, can threaten Turkey. And those people can also not threaten our success with other people and intermediaries. We are going to be one, we are going to be strong, we are going to be lively, and we are going to be brothers and sisters. And we are going to achieve this together.
İstanbul'un tüm ilçeleri bunu duysun. Kardeşlerim, bu CHP LGBT'ci midir? Bu HDP LGBT'ci midir? Bu İYİ Parti LGBT'ci midir? O yanındaki bazı ufaklıklar var. Onlar da LGBT'ci midir? Peki AK Parti'ye LGBT sızabilir mi? MHP'ye sızabilir mi? Cumhur İttifakı'nın diğer üyelerine sızabilir mi?
Look around you. We are making history. The words there of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in what is a victory speech after he's won another election here in Turkey, one of several that he's won in his career. He said, he vowed to the crowd that he's speaking to right now, saying, we will try our best and I will try my best to live up to your confidence, your trust in me. The winner, he said, the real winner here is Turkey, all its citizens. And he had a message for the opposition leader who's been defeated in this election, saying simply, bye-bye Kemal. He said soon the opposition will be saying bye-bye Kemal, a reference there to Kemal Kılıçdaroğlu, the leader of the CHP party, one of the largest opposition parties, the leader and the candidate for the presidential election for the Six-Table Alliance, that coalition of opposition parties that came to this election putting forward Kemal Kılıçdaroğlu as their candidate. Well, now he has lost another one. This is the 8th time that he's, well, stood for the opposition or led the opposition in various elections, but not succeeded against Recep Tayyip Erdogan. We can see a jubilant crowd that's come out to wave flags, to clap for him. A very jubilant crowd indeed. And we heard gunfire going off behind where I am, celebratory gunfire as though